If your blow dry takes forever and your hair's still frizzy at the end, it's not you, it's your dryer. A good blow dryer cuts your dry time almost in half and leaves the hair smoother. Better airflow, better heat distribution. It's not a gimmick, it's just physics. The one I use in my salon every single day is the Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium. Fast, powerful, and my clients notice a difference immediately. Pair it with the Amika Wizard Heat Protectant Spray before you dry and you're going to see a completely different result at home. Both are in my Amazon shop in my bio. I only link things I'd hand to my own clients.